Okay guys, now it's balancing time. So once again, go on Amazon, get yourself a static bike balancer. Okay, yeah, you gotta assemble it. This comes in a box there. So I first put it on the narrow ones, but it doesn't fit. So put it on the wide ones. So it just comes in a little box there, so you gotta assemble it, break it down, and you put it away. So hopefully you have a nice flat spot to work with, and these do adjust on the bottom to make it even. So if it's wobbly or something, okay. Okay, so that's nice and tight. Okay, now this comes with the bar and these cones, so you want to make sure it's kind of even. Okay, I put the cones in, and you could tighten them here. Just a little Allen wrench there. Okay, what you do is you go ahead and sit it on. Okay. Okay, give it a little spin. And then we'll wait till it stops, and that means that the lightest part of the tire is going to be on top. Oh, I should probably take off the factory balance thing there. Okay, hold on. Okay guys, give it a little spin. Okay, when it stops, it's going to be the lightest point here. So we'll go ahead and mark it here. Okay, so I'm going to use 10. Let's use some tape first. Okay, we'll move it halfway. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it still went up, so we need a little more. Put another 10 on there. Back. Okay, looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and try that again. Looks like that did it. Oh, don't move anymore. Okay, cool. So it looks like it's balanced. So we just used it's a 210, so 20 FE, whatever that means. Okay, cool. So I'll go ahead and stick them on permanently here, and then put some. Oh, I go to the store, get some black tape or something, cover them up. Okay, cool. Hold on. Okay, guys. So sometimes when you do it yourself, you know, it scratches it up a little bit. It's not perfect, but well, that's the way it goes. So, anyways, I have some little touch-up paint here, and just go ahead and cover those spots there. It's not perfect, but I guess if you wanted perfect, you would have taken it to the shop, right? I have a couple little scratches on there, no biggie. When you're going down the road, no one's going to say, oh, look, he scratched his rims. Let's go check the other set. This side looks good. Okay, so we can see here, I got the balance on, I got the things. Now if you want to cover that up, just get some black tape or something, put that on there. That looks like it's all balanced out. So remember that was at the top, right? So you put it here, and it should stay right here, and it does, so good. Okay. And then the extra touch-up paint here. Okay, just like new. Okay, now just let that paint dry and we'll go ahead and reassemble.